completely deleted it. They don't recognize that Crispr can defeat cancer anymore. What is that? What? The virus is a small thing. It'll analyze maybe the first 200 copies of the gene. That is cancerous. And it systemically goes throughout the system, infecting every cell in the body, or 99% of the cells, and it deletes them. Now, in order for that to happen, there's got to be 10 to 15 copies of that specific CRISPR organelle in each cell. What that's going to do is decrease the efficiency of that cell by 1%. So the cancer is still going to affect you somehow. And there's got to be something in there that's generating the virus in particular, the healing virus. Some sort of bacterium or some sort of yeast or something. Oh, you know what you can do? You know how to use a dog shit bacteria. You can use a bacteria that's already in your system. And then you're forever immune to that kind of cancer. Just that kind. A slightly different kind, still gonna get you. Still gotta figure out what that tumor's all about. How hard is it? How fast can cancer kill you? Can it kill you on the way to the hospital to get it checked out? Fuck. How could a cancer reproduce that fast? Well, I'm thinking. How fast can a cancer kill you? Cancer can kill you in well, I don't know how many types of cancer there are, you know? It's probably a type of cancer out there that is so ultra lethal. You're not going to get that kind of cancer just because it's so exceedingly rare. The one that kills you in a week. That one is so rare that no one's ever got it ever. It's a type I just made up. Ultra lethal. How does it kill you in a week? Well, a cell can only soak up so many amino acids to duplicate itself. It cannot act like a magnet to suck in additional amino acids. So a cell can only duplicate as fast as the blood will run through it. So a week is a maximum amount of time, or minimum amount of time, that a tumor can multiply in size in order to block a major blood vessel. One, for instance, in your head, in your brain, like the really important one, right there. So in order for it to utilize every single amino acid like that, it's got to be a pretty nasty sounding kind of tumor. Pretty much the worst one. Well, what are you going to notice before it kills you? Well, you're going to notice that you're going to get to the hospital because you're going to be getting knocked out a lot for no reason. You don't know why this is happening. Why are you falling unconscious? So they're going to run a little brain scan on you. They're going to scan your brain. They're going to find the tumor in there. This is going to be 3 days in. They're going to be thinking, how are we going to defeat this tumor? Because it's going to block a blood vessel. It's going to kill you. So, they just can't do it because they don't realize how fast it's growing. So you just die. Because the doctor, they just ain't that good doctors these days, you know? It's got to be in a strategic location. It's got to be next to one of the heart valves. Or something like that. Shit, you know, the cafe box finish. Can't even go to buy cigarettes because it's a 20-minute walk. Go far through that box. So what it is it's what does it do? What is it called again? RNA, I think. It's got RNA. You know, what is it? What is it again? Okay, well, it's a protein that attaches to the DNA and scans it, just like any other, you know, piece of protein that scans DNA. And it will scan the DNA for to a section of maybe 200 or maybe 100, however many is needed, maybe even like 50 or 20. So it can be really a small protein. Sections of DNA that corresponds to a specific cancer sequence. Maybe even 10 or 15 sets of sequences. Okay, not that few. Not that few. It's got to be like... It's got to be a sizable protein. And it'll scan that DNA for that piece. Then once it finds that piece, it will neutralize that piece. Neutralize the piece. Then you have the cell dies. What you gotta do is revert it back to the original. No, you have to actually delete it. You have to actually destroy the cell. You can't have that piece in the body. If it's not the mutant size, oh shit! Wait, it can actually mutate and then become a lethal virus. Oh shit! Then it'll kill like all your fucking cells. Oh shit! It'll kill so many of your cells. Oh shit! I guess it won't work then. Oh, not unless you make another CRISPR that goes into the bacteria and it blocks it from creating. Oh wait, but it blocks it from being destroyed even. So you can't use the bacteria can't make a Crispr. A CRISPR virus that deletes a healthy cell because there's a separate CRISPR inside of that cell that will scan for that one and then delete it. And that's in that bacteria 10 or 15 different times. So it prevents from killing a healthy cell 10 or 15 times for each bacterial cell. So there's no way it can evolve out of a cell 10 or 15 times and then be replicated in a fashion that outcompetes all the other bacteria. There's no way for that to happen. No amount of radiation is going to cause that to happen to evacuate that bacteria, to create a bacteria that will kill your cells. Or it'll only kill the tumor cells. So what it will do is it'll scan the bacteria for its ability to create a virally lethal pathogen, and if that's present, delete the pathogen. I'm going to delete the section DNA. I'm alright.
You know something?
Yeah.
Smoking with the door open is like smoking in the fucking house.
I'm so sorry about that.
Yeah? We'll tell your mother.
I'm sorry, I didn't realize the door was open.
Tell your mother you're sorry.
I didn't realize the door was open. I forgot about this dog here. Yeah, remember the dog? Dog isn't my dog. Hi, dog. Smoking weed in the house is just as bad, you know? You don't ever stop Mom? I try to stop her. I'm like smelling weed in the house. I'm in my fucking apartment, you know?
Dirt.